There's the birthday boy, 23 years old. There he is, Ricky. We have Dad with us today. Yay! We are doing what Ricky wants to do today. It's his birthday. And we are going on this elevator. Elevator number 2. Going down to ground level. Where are we going today, Ricky? Where are we going to eat?
Rainforest Café.
Rainforest Café. Hello everybody. It's September 15th. And it's Ricky's birthday. Where are we heading today? To Rainforest Café to celebrate Ricky's special day. We'll be out and about the whole week celebrating Ricky's special day. So today is just a little small preview of what's ahead for this kid. We have a special guest today, and here he is. My husband, Ricky's dad, Rick. Hello, Rick.
Hello. Rainforest Café.
He's so excited.
Yeah.
Here's our alligator friend. Hello there. So here is Rainforest Café. We are here. We're waiting to be seated and take a look around. There's Dad and son. Take a look at those seats. You got a parrot, you got a giraffe, a zebra. What's the green thing over there? What is that? What is it? A frog? A what? A lizard. A lizard, yes. We're sitting all the way in the back by the fish tank. Some really cool fish. I see Dory, but I don't see Nemo. Hey, birthday boy, how you doing? Good?
Happy to be here.
Hey, Ricky, what are you going to have for an appetizer?
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella stick. Right here, Ricky, look here.
Ricky, look at the camera.
Ricky, look at the camera. What are you going to have as an appetizer? There's no onion rings. Mozzarella sticks? Cool. And what are you going to drink? Coca-Cola soda. Hey, Pops.
Hello.
Everybody with the cell phone.
I needed a day off.
You needed a day off today?
Yeah, a few hours off.
A few hours off? It's past your work time anyway.
Is it?
It is. We already know what we're getting. We're just gonna get burgers and fries because that's what everybody feels like getting. And getting Ricky an order of mozzarella sticks. There'll be a special happy birthday for Ricky
does it make sense to get the
at the very end. So hang on in with us, and we'll let you know what we think of the burgers. You know,
just the beef and cheese.
I'm hoping it's very good, but we'll let you know. Ricky, you having a good time? Yeah? Cool. Hey Dad, you having a good time?
Having a good time.
Okay, so they already dug into the mozzarella sticks. So there's about 3 of them left. And I say, Ricky, go for it. You want that mozzarella stick? Go for it. Go ahead, Dad. I think I'm gonna grab one before it's gone. Is it?
Oh, very good.
Okay.
As good as Applebee's.
It's as good as Applebee's.
Yeah, those are my favorite.
Is it really? Okay.
Definitely got approval for that.
Actually, they are good. Very good. Yeah, they're good, and the sauce is good. And the sauce is good. Good, how are you?
All the toppings on the side. Is that a barbecue one? Yes, that's her.
Thank you. So I have the barbecue burger. And Ricky and my husband have the what kind of burger?
The Beastly Burger.
Beastly burger.
Mine's plain. His is plain.
2 patties. Ooh, the apes. They're going wild. Okay, thank you. You're eating? Go ahead, eat your burger. Hey Rick, you want to take a picture of me?
Burger bite. Burger bite.
It come out good?
Burger bite.
Yeah, it came out fine.
Burger bite.
Burger bite.
Burger bite. Oh, look how big that is. Look at the size of that thing.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys, you have to see what Ricky's sinking his mouth into. It's a double burger. It's huge.
Bite.
Go ahead. Knock yourself out. Well,
Bite.
no, don't knock yourself out. Not a good thing.
Bite.
Bite. It's his birthday, really? That is a huge burger. Is that necessary?
Yes. Bite. Yes, it is. Bite.
Bite. Bite. Ricky's in his glory. He is so happy. You gotta bite it, yeah. You're dissecting the burger again. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Yeah, Ricky's dissecting it again. Ah, cleaning up there, huh? I caught you on camera.
That's clean up. Juicy.
It's juicy? Ooh, how's that fry? Good? So tell me about the burger. It's huge.
2 big fat patties, looks like this. We've got cheese, tomato, lettuce. And
Now it has lettuce.
I gave you the mushroom and the block.
Yeah. Do you want it? No, there's more.
Now,
It's right there.
this is perfect.
Okay. Take a bite.
Very good.
Look at that huge burger.
Bite.
That's surely a man-sized burger. It sure is.
This should make me satisfied.
I hope so.
Bite. Yeah.
Okay. I am going to try my barbecue burger. It has bacon. Oh, and it also comes with a fry. No, just kidding. Fries on the side. Fry's good. Doesn't even need ketchup. Anyway, the burger. There's the bacon sticking out. Cheese. I actually took my husband's guacamole and mushrooms and added it to the burger. He doesn't want it, so I might as well eat it. have one patty. One patty for me is enough. I don't even know if I'll get through this. Oh, it's so good. So good. Yum. I think the burgers here are better than the Rainforest Café at Animal Kingdom. They're better here at Disney Springs. Okay, so we're taking this home because my husband and I could not finish ours, but Ricky sure finished his, except for the fries. He did leave his fries. Ricky and I are going to tell you what we think. Ricky, what did you think of the burger?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Awesome. Burgers, thumbs up. Dad?
Excellent burger. Loved it.
Give it a thumbs up, yes or no?
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
One, two, three, four. Happy birthday from all of us to you. We made it something special. We made it just for you. We hope you have a super fun and such a happy day. So happy birthday from Rainforest Café.
Yay! Ooh, thank you! Thank you so much! Yay! Thank you! Thank you! Ricky, say thank you! So here's the lava cake. Chocolate and ice cream. And look at the little sparkler on top. Ricky gets to keep that. Can you take the candle out of the cake for Mom? Okay. Put it on the plate over here, dude. All right. Take the sparkler off. Sparkler. Put the sparkler over here, bud. Okay, let's get ready to eat the cake. Ooh, this is the cake right here. Ooh, look at this, guys. Lava cake is delicious. Ice cream and fudge, chocolate fudge. Ricky, look at the camera. Tell everybody. You like your cake? Yes? Dad's left-handed. Brownie.
Any other drinks or are you good for now?
Oh, we're good. Thank
You
you.
good? Maybe some coffee or hot
No,
tea?
thank
You
you.
good?
We're good.
Enjoy, okay?
Want to try it?
Just go for the top, I think.
This is chewy. Like a brownie.
Take a brownie, right. Brownie and ice cream.
Where's the caramel, Ricky? Caramel's right there. Hey, Rick. Rick, let him eat and off that plate. It's fine. Okay. Show everybody.
Yeah, I got 2 of them.
Cool, Ricky. That is awesome. Nice trick. Nice trick, Ricky. I like it.
Just 100.
I know. Checking out the fish. Fish are pretty cool.
Big.
Fish are not food. No, yes they are. I said fish are not food, and my husband says yes they are. Oh, here are the Rainforest Café t-shirts, and here are some bubble wands. I like the purple one. My Happy Place, Rainforest Cafe. I do like these bubble wands. That unicorn one's pretty cute. I like the pink dinosaur. Oh, this one's really adorable. Look at that butterfly, little fish, clownfish.
Beastly burger.
Did everybody have a good time?
Yes.
Happy birthday, Ricky!
Oh, you're recording.
Yes, I am. Happy birthday, Ricky! Yay! Oh, here are the new arrivals from Dooney Bourke. How cute are these bags? Let's see if there's one with a really, oh, this one's really good place. No, it's not. No, this one's not so good. I wonder if they have one with a better placement in the backpack style. These with the cats are adorable. Really like the one with the cats.
I feel like this one, like the car.
Okay, so I am gonna get one of those Jared Nakamura backpacks because I want it. They're just checking and seeing if there's a better placement of the castle in the back. We'll see. They're still checking. So I got my new bag. Coming home with me. I'll show you guys in a bit. Here's my new Dooney Bourke backpack by Jason Nakamura. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I like this placement because the castle's in the middle of the zipper. And then there's Mr. Toad. No perfect placement on these bags, guys. You just gotta pick the one you like the best. It's gonna get a lot busier at night. Okay, everybody. Cinderella Wish and family is signing off. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you again. Everybody, we'll see you. Come here, Ricky. No, not next time. We'll see you, Ricky. Real soon. We parked 3? We parked on level 3. Okay, last look at the elevator, everybody. Here we go. We're going up. We have to do this on Ricky's birthday because Ricky loves elevators. Dad! We didn't forget you.